Decks that's my favorite. I love doing decks. To me, it's an extension of your home, and I think the pandemic really brought that to light because we were stuck in our homes for over a year. Now, if you're stuck inside, you want to be outside, but if you can't go anywhere, then you get to kind of get a fresh slate of what do I want my outside to look like.
We're really emphasizing communication because we know that is lacking in this industry. We're constantly talking about how can we improve this, how can we communicate better to our clients and serve them better. I can remember one of our customers had a lot of anxiety, just a lot of questions, and I would talk with this guy, half hour, 45 minutes a day, and just working through those issues and building that trust. We got through it, and he just had nothing but good things to say in the end about how things went and how he felt through the process, and just reassuring me that he felt like we were taking care of him.
I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I was worried that things wouldn't be true and square, and they assured me it would, and it was. At the end of the day, they made sure every little obstacle that they came across them was taken care of. Now, I fit in with the neighbors, I feel like, and I'm proud of my house, and it looks nice, and I'm glad to call it my home.
I just meet with a homeowner and I say, what are you looking to do? They give me an idea, and I get to run with it and do some drawings and go, how does this look? Is this what you're thinking? Yeah, I think that's exactly what we want. Okay, here's where we're at with price point. Is this something that you want to move forward with? And then it's kind of back and forth at that point, because maybe take this off or add this on, and I think that's the funnest part, is you get to kind of just say, what do you want to do? And you can go from there.